This widget right here is the Photos widget, and it pulls in featured photos from the photos on your phone. These photos are curated by the iPhone and the Photos app. You don't have a lot of choice over which photos are shown here, but it just pulls them in and every so often it changes them. To set this up, just tap and hold in any empty spot on your iPhone lock screen, home screen I meant to say, and then tap on Edit in the top left, tap on Add Widget, scroll down to Photos. There's Google Photos. I want Photos. There it is right there. Tap on that, and then you can just add a featured photo widget. There's various sizes, and like I said, you can't really adjust what's shown there. It just picks random stuff. It curates it on its own. If you want more control over what's shown, you can also add an album to this widget. So if I want to add this one, tap on Add Widget. It adds it right up there. Even though I don't want it there, I'd rather have it, where'd it go? There it is. I'd rather have it down here, over here. Okay. On this one down here, if I tap and hold, I can tap on Edit Widget. And these are the options it gives me. Always display in full color and spatial scene effect. If I tap on the widget itself, it shows all the featured photos. They all appear to be from the same day, which is weird. But I can remove them from this list and that's about it. But this widget, we just added that with the albums. If I tap and hold on it and then tap on Edit Widget, I can choose which album I want the photos to appear from. We can also make sure they're displayed in full color always. So I can choose this album. Let's choose this Wallpapers album right here. And now it's going to cycle through the Wallpapers album. So you can custom create your own albums to show in the Photos widget. If you're not sure how to do that, it's pretty easy. Just head into Photos. Let's go back to the main Photos app, or the spot where you're probably going to be when you open Photos, which is your list of photos. Go to Collections. You're going to see Albums right here. Tap on that to open it. Tap on the plus. Tap New Album. You can give it a name. I'm just going to call it Demo. And tap on Add Photos. And then you can go through your whole photos list, add photos, tap on Create, and now you've created the new demo album, which you can then very easily add to this widget. Just tap and hold on it again, tap on Edit, tap on the name, tap on the new album, and then we'll have those photos appearing there instead. If you find that your phone's battery's been draining faster than usual, or it's not lasting as long as you'd like, check out this video, which shows you 7 or 8 different settings you can tweak to make your battery last longer. And if you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on this one.